In this video, we're going to talk about something most people don't realize, the first true sign of aging. It's not your memory. It's not your eyesight. It's your legs. By the time we reach our 70s, research shows that many of us can lose up to 40% of our leg muscle mass. That's not just a number, it's the difference between living independently in your own home or needing help with even the smallest tasks. But here's the good news. This decline is not inevitable. I've seen it again and again in my years as a physician. When you give your body the right nourishment, your legs can stay strong, steady, and full of life. And that's exactly what we're going to cover today. I'll be sharing 6 everyday foods, what I call survival foods, that you can find in any grocery store. These foods don't just fill your stomach, they give your legs the strength and balance you need to stay independent. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. Point 1. Beets. Have you ever noticed your legs feeling unusually heavy, tired, or even a little numb after just a short walk or standing too long? Many people describe it as if their legs are made of concrete blocks. This isn't just old age catching up with you, it's your body asking for better circulation. And one of the simplest, most powerful foods to help with this is the beet. Now, I know beets may not be the first thing you look for in the grocery store. They don't look fancy, and many of us remember them as that dark red vegetable our parents served at holiday dinners. But inside that humble root is something extraordinary. Beets are full of natural compounds called nitrates. When you eat them, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide, a tiny molecule that has a very big job. It helps your blood vessels relax and open up. Why does this matter for your legs? Because your legs are the furthest point from your heart, they are often the first to feel poor circulation. When blood flow slows down, your muscles don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need. That's why climbing stairs feels harder, or why standing in line can leave you exhausted. But when you bring nitric oxide back into the picture, your blood flows more freely. Suddenly, those tired legs start feeling lighter and stronger again. I remember one older gentleman who came to me and said, "Doc, it feels like my legs are wearing cement shoes." Instead of giving him another pill, we started with food. He added roasted beets to his meals and sometimes drank a small glass of beet juice in the morning. A few months later, he came back smiling. His words stuck with me. "It feels like someone turned the lights back on in my legs." The best part is, you don't need much. A few slices of roasted beet in your salad or a small 4-ounce glass of pure beet juice can make a difference. And here's a little tip. If you squeeze a bit of lemon or orange juice on your beets, the vitamin C helps your body absorb those nutrients even better. Point 2. Sardines. Many older adults I've spoken with tell me the same thing, my legs just ache all the time. Maybe for you, it shows up as stiff knees in the morning, swelling around the ankles after a long day, or that burning, restless feeling in your calves at night. For years, people were told this was just wear and tear, or something you simply had to accept with aging. But the truth is, much of that pain comes from one hidden problem: inflammation. Inflammation is like a slow-burning fire inside the body. You can't always see it, but you feel it in your joints, your muscles, and your blood vessels. And here's where nature gives us an incredible solution, not in a pill, but in a simple little fish, the sardine. Now, don't let their size fool you. Sardines are packed with 2 powerful nutrients your body desperately needs as you age: omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Omega-3s are like tiny firefighters. They travel through your bloodstream, calming down that inflammation and telling your body it's time to repair, not break down. Vitamin D, on the other hand, helps your muscles contract properly and keeps your balance steady. Without enough of it, your legs can tremble, your steps can feel shaky, and your risk of falling goes up. I remember a patient, a retired schoolteacher named Carol. She was terrified of falling after watching several of her friends suffer hip fractures. She was already taking calcium, but it wasn't enough. When we checked her vitamin D levels, they were extremely low. Instead of just giving her another supplement, I asked her to try sardines twice a week, mashed on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon. Within a few months, she told me her legs felt steadier, her joints less sore, and most importantly, her confidence was back. The beauty of sardines is that they're affordable, easy to find in cans, and don't require fancy cooking. Just make sure you buy the ones packed in olive oil rather than soybean oil. By eating them regularly, you're not only soothing inflammation, you're also building stronger bones and muscles from the inside out. Point 3. Pumpkin seeds. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sharp cramp in your calf or foot? Or maybe it's not a sudden spasm, but a constant tightness in your legs that never seems to fully go away. Many older adults tell me that these cramps make them dread bedtime, because instead of rest, they expect pain. The good news is, this problem usually has a simple cause, and an even simpler solution. That solution is a mineral called magnesium, and one of the best natural sources of it is the humble pumpkin seed. Now, most of us don't think much about magnesium, but it plays a critical role in how your muscles work. Think of calcium as the on switch that makes your muscles contract, and magnesium as the off switch that allows them to relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles get stuck in a half-on state. That's why they twitch, tighten, or cramp. As we age, magnesium levels tend to drop. Stress, certain medications, and even poor sleep can all drain our reserves. That's why so many older adults struggle with nighttime cramps, restless legs, or tension in the body that never seems to ease. But pumpkin seeds, small, crunchy, and easy to add to your diet, can fill that gap. Just one handful provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. I once had a patient, Robert, a retired carpenter who had been strong his entire life. But when he came to me, his legs felt like they were buzzing with electricity every night. He could barely sleep because of the cramps. Instead of giving him another pill, I suggested a simple change: a handful of raw pumpkin seeds in the afternoon. Within a few weeks, he came back and said, "Doc, it's not just that the cramps are gone. My whole body feels calmer." That's the quiet power of magnesium. It doesn't just stop cramps, it helps your muscles rest, your nerves settle, and your body recover. You can sprinkle pumpkin seeds on your oatmeal, toss them in a salad, or enjoy them as a snack instead of chips. It's a small change with a big impact. Point 4. Lentils. Have you ever noticed that your mornings start off just fine, but by mid-afternoon your energy suddenly crashes? For many older adults, that's the moment when the legs begin to feel like lead, heavy and uncooperative. You might think it's just age catching up, but very often, the real reason is that your muscles aren't getting the steady fuel they need. This is where lentils come in. They may not look like much, just small beans in shades of brown, green, or red, but inside, they carry two things your legs desperately rely on: iron and slow-release energy. First, let's talk about iron. Your muscles are hungry for oxygen every single day. Oxygen is what fuels your ability to walk, climb stairs, and even stand for long periods. Iron is the nutrient that helps your red blood cells carry that oxygen from your lungs to your legs. Without enough iron, your muscles are essentially starved of air. That's when your legs feel weak, tired, and heavy. Lentils are one of the best plant-based sources of iron, giving your muscles the oxygen delivery system they've been asking for. But there's another reason lentils are so powerful, especially for older adults: they stabilize your blood sugar. Many common foods, like white bread or sugary snacks, give you a quick burst of energy and then drop you hard. That's the afternoon crash so many people feel. Lentils, on the other hand, are full of protein and soluble fiber. Together, they act like a time-release capsule, giving you steady energy throughout the day. Instead of burning out by 3 p.m., your legs keep moving with strength and endurance. I think of a patient named Margaret, a kind woman who volunteered at a museum. She loved leading tours in the morning but said by afternoon her legs just couldn't keep up. After switching her usual sandwich to a simple lentil soup for lunch a few times a week, she was amazed at the difference. Suddenly, she was leading afternoon tours with the same energy she had in the morning. Lentils don't require anything fancy, just simmer them with some garlic, carrots, or spices, and you have one of the most nourishing meals possible. They're not just filling your stomach, they're fueling your legs for the long haul. Point 5. Avocado. One of the most common things I hear from older adults is, "Doctor, I just feel stiff all the time." Maybe you've felt it too, that creaky, rusty feeling when you first get out of bed in the morning, or when you've been sitting too long. Your hips don't glide the way they used to, your knees feel dry, and even simple movements lose their smoothness. This isn't just your imagination, it's a sign that your body is running low on the natural lubrication it once had in abundance. The surprising solution? The avocado. For years, people were told that fat was the enemy. Many avoided foods like avocados, thinking they were too rich. But we now know that the right kinds of fat are not harmful, they're healing. And avocados are filled with one of the best, monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats act like the raw material your body uses to rebuild and repair. They help support hormone production, which is key to keeping muscles strong, bones dense, and joints cushioned. As we get older, hormone levels naturally decline, and with that decline comes the stiffness and dryness many of us feel in our legs and joints. By eating avocados, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep repairing itself, rather than breaking down. I think of Barbara, a former dancer in her late 60s. She told me, "I feel brittle, like my body just doesn't flow anymore." When we looked at her diet, she had been avoiding fats for years. We reintroduced healthy fats, with half an avocado a day at the center of her meals. A few months later, she didn't just tell me she felt better, she showed me. She stood up and moved with a grace she thought she had lost forever. With tears in her eyes, she said, "The rust is gone." Avocados also come with extra benefits. They contain more potassium than bananas, which helps prevent cramps and supports muscle communication. They also feed the good bacteria in your gut, which is now known to play a huge role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. The beauty of avocados is how easy they are to use. Slice half onto your salad, mash it onto whole grain toast, or blend it into a smoothie. Whatever way you choose, you're not just eating, you're restoring lubrication to your joints. Point 6. Tart cherries. There's a cruel cycle that many older adults know all too well. By evening, your legs ache, your joints feel sore, and your body is begging for rest. But just when you want sleep the most, the pain and discomfort keep you awake. Night after night, you toss and turn, and by morning, instead of feeling refreshed, you wake up stiff and exhausted. It feels unfair, doesn't it? The very thing your body needs to heal, deep sleep, becomes harder to get as you get older. This is where tart cherries come in. Small, sour, and bright red, they might not look like much, but they hold two powerful secrets: they reduce inflammation and they naturally support sleep. Tart cherries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins, which calm down the soreness in your muscles and joints. At the same time, they are one of the very few foods on Earth that contain natural melatonin, the hormone your body uses to guide its sleep cycle. Unlike synthetic pills that can sometimes leave you groggy or disrupt your body's rhythm, the melatonin in tart cherries works gently, in harmony with your natural biology. It doesn't knock you out, it simply nudges your body into the deep, restorative sleep it craves. And here's the key: true healing of muscles and tissues happens only during those deeper stages of sleep. If your nights are restless, your legs can't fully recover. I'll never forget Frank, a retired firefighter who came to me with severe leg pain after years of service. He told me he hadn't slept through the night in years. His legs ached so badly, he was up half the night pacing. I suggested he try a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice about an hour before bed. A month later, he walked into my office with a smile I hadn't seen before. "Doc," he said, "I don't know how it works, but I'm finally sleeping, and my legs don't scream at me all night. That's the quiet magic of tart cherries. They soothe the pain, calm the inflammation, and invite your body into the kind of deep rest where true repair can happen. You don't need much. Just a 4 to 6 ounce glass of pure tart cherry juice before bed, or a handful of frozen or dried tart cherries, is enough to send your body the signal that the day is over and it's time to heal." So there you have it, 6 powerful foods that can help keep your legs strong, your balance steady, and your independence intact. Remember, it's not about expensive drugs or complicated treatments. It's about simple choices you can make every day at the table. Beets for circulation, sardines for inflammation, pumpkin seeds for calm muscles, lentils for steady energy, avocados for joint support, and tart cherries for recovery and sleep. Now I'd like to ask you, what's one change you're going to make this week? Maybe you'll try lentil soup, or add pumpkin seeds to your breakfast, or pour a small glass of tart cherry juice at night. Whatever it is, share your commitment in the comments below. You'll inspire not only yourself but someone else in this community who may be struggling too. If this video gave you real value, please give it a like, it helps others discover this message. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video filled with practical, senior-friendly health advice. Finally, think of one person in your life who needs to hear this message, share this video with them today. It could be the gift of hope, strength, and independence they've been waiting for. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and remember, you're never too old to rebuild your strength.